Hello there, I'm Ian McKone. I'm one half of the Rantanners. It's lovely to be here at the Morpeth Northumbrian Gathering, and I am running a sea shanty workshop today.
Tell us a little bit about sea shanties, what's the history of them, and tell us a bit about their renewed popularity.
Sea shanties are old work songs from the days of sail, and they did have a practical purpose back in the day, but now they've kind of been absorbed into the folk tradition. They are simple, they're joyful, they're great fun, they're brilliant from a community music perspective because you can learn them by ear, you can easily pick up the tunes, and you can easily pick up the words as well. They've gradually got a lot more popular than they were because of bands like the Longest Johns. Who was that guy in lockdown, the singing postman? He's ended up making a career for himself in the world of sea shanty outside from the post office. But yeah, they've always been around, either as work songs in the folk clubs, but now they've reached this popular audience, you know.
And I would imagine that some people probably are familiar with the tunes, maybe it's from their childhood.
Yeah, there's Blow the Man Down is probably one of the most famous ones, you know. Everybody knows Blow the Man Down. It's also been used as the tune for other songs, most notably as the theme tune for SpongeBob SquarePants, if you're au fait with SpongeBob.
And will that be one of the tunes that you're going to treat us to?
It certainly will. Yeah, we'll be singing that today.
In South Australia I was born, heave away, all away. South Australia, round Cape Horn, we're bound for South Australia. We're bound for South Australia.
And the great thing with this is that we have the same response in the verse and in the chorus. So,
in South Australia I was born, heave away, all away. South Australia, round Cape Horn, bound for South Australia. Haul away, you rolling kings, heave away, haul away. Haul away, you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. As I walked out one morning fair, heave away, haul away. Is there a spite, Miss Nancy Blair? We're bound for South Australia. Haul away, you rolling kings, heave away, haul away. Haul away, you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. Now I'm in the foreign land, heave away, haul away. Bottle of whiskey in me hand, bound for South Australia. Haul away, you rolling kings, heave away, haul away. Haul away, you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. As we wallop around Cape Horn, heave away, haul away. I wish to God you'd never been born, bound for South Australia. Haul away, you rolling kings, heave away, haul away. Haul away, you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. There's one thing that grieves my mind, heave away, haul away. Leaving Nancy Blair behind, bound for South Australia.